what you see when you walk through me in daylight. Moving streets, ordinary faces, life that feels familiar. But there is a place inside me where time behaves differently. A place people still approach quietly, even when they pretend not to believe in anything at all. You think you are just watching a city, but you are about to pass through something I never fully explained. I am often described in simple terms. A capital, a center, a place of routine and movement. But that description never reaches what I actually feel like. Because within my structure, there are places where people don't just pass through. They pause. Not because of architecture, but because of something they cannot quite explain in words. There is a place within me that people return to without being told. They stand there longer than they planned. Sometimes they leave something behind. Sometimes they say nothing at all. And I remember every one of those moments, not because they are dramatic, but because repetition creates meaning. Over time, this place stopped being just a location inside me. It became something people treat like a conversation that never ended. You might think this is just habit, a quiet, cultural routine. But I have learned that places do not keep things because people agree to remember them. They keep things because people feel something they cannot fully explain. And even when the world moves forward, some parts of me stay anchored in that feeling. Not frozen, just remembered differently. What you see as a city landmark, locals feel as continuity. Not past, not present, something in between. And that is why they still come back without needing a reason, because some places do not ask to be understood. They ask to be felt. So when you walk through me, you are not just moving through streets. You are passing through something that still remembers itself. And I wonder if you noticed it too.
Just a few more hours, you'll be on your way, like dancing on a wire. Oh, how I try to make you stay. Won't you stay? Won't you stay? Won't you stay? Won't you stay?